Welcome! In front of me is a BLACKVIEW A80s, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button and from the boot options, select power off. Now when the device turns off, hold power button and the volume up at the same time. So I'm going to start doing that now. And when you see screen turn on, I let go of the power button. So, as you can see, it will then boot us into recovery mode. Now in here you'll need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down depending on which button you press, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the options, we have things like reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Scrolling down, we have reboot to bootloader and enter fastboot mode. There's a possibility that both of them are just fastboot mode. I haven't checked yet. Apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data or cache partition, on system, view logs, run tests, and power off. Anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first option, confirm it, and like I mentioned before, this will bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.